Front-end loader, F.E.L, +2773, 158, 2436. The qualifying delegate will be capable of demonstrating knowledge of the functions of a front-end loader, planning for work activities and prepare work area, starting and shutting down front-end loader, operating front-end loader, transporting front-end loader to and from site. Target, management and operators. Description: operate a front-end loader in accordance with the manufacturing and legislation standards. Legislation: Occupational Health and Safety Act of 1993. Duration: 1 day, refresher, 5 days, novice. Inquire now 073158 2436. Other machine operation courses we offer: forklift, front-end loader, excavator, articulated dump truck, skid steer loader, bobcat, dozers, rigid body dump truck, backhoe, defined purpose lift truck, advanced purpose lift truck, electrical hoist, tip truck, grader, rigid heavy vehicle mixer truck. Office line: 0118241189, cell 073-158-2436, 0604291718. Mullaney operators at yahoo.com. Call us, WhatsApp, +2773-158-2436.